Let's learn some classroom objects today in Italian. Let's get started. Backpack is zaino. Zai, because whenever you have an AI, it sounds like your eyes. Zai. And then no, zaino. A pencil is una matita. Una matita. It starts with the word mat, M-A-T. So the way to remember this might be to think of sometimes your pencils can roll off your desk and fall onto the ground. Maybe it fell on a mat. A pen is una penna. Una penna. Penna starts with the word pen, which is a helpful way to remember it. Some of you might also be thinking of penne, P-E-N-N-E, which does mean pens, plural, but it also is a type of noodle. It's a type of pasta, penne pasta. If you think about the shape that those noodles are in, they're referring to the shape that a quill pen would have been in. So that's why they're both the same word. A marker is un pennarello. So sort of like you're taking the pen and penna, but changing the ending. Un pennarello. And yes, this was not una, it is un. There are 4 ways to say a in Italian. Think about it though, in English we actually have 3. What? We do. We have one, like one dog, a, like a dog, and also an, like an elephant. So in Italian, they just add 1 more, and there's a total of 4. So that's why this one changed. There's specific rules, but that's all we're going to say right now. A colored pencil. Now keep in mind, in Italian, describing words usually go at the end. So I'm really going to say a pencil colored. Okay? So this is una matita, which we already learned, and then add colored, colorata. Una matita colorata. A book. Un libro. Un libro, which is also similar to the word library, so that's a way to connect it. And also if you know Spanish, then it's very similar. A pair of scissors. Un paio di, a pair of scissors. Forbici. 4, like number 4. Bici. Bici by itself actually means bike. So not really connected to scissors. But forbici nearly looks like the word forbidden. And when you're younger, you're forbidden to use scissors, obviously, for your safety. So maybe thinking of that could help you. This is un paio di forbici. A notebook. Un quaderno. Un quaderno. Highlighter. A highlighter is going to be un evidenziatore. Un evidenziatore. A sheet of paper. Un foglio. Yes, foglio, not foglio or something like that. GLs do not sound like a GL in Italian. They sound like an LY. So this is un foglio di carta. Carta, like a card, C-A-R, same matching letters for that sequence. So it might help to think of that. A crayon is un pastello. Un pastello. A folder. Una cartellina. Una cartellina. A lunchbox. Un porta pranzo. Un porta pranzo. Now really think about what's happening here. If you know a little bit of Italian, there's actually 2 words happening in this. Porta actually means something by itself. Porta means brings, like he or she brings. And then pranzo means lunch. So like you're bringing your lunch in something. It actually connects with what you're talking about. This is porta pranzo. A pencil case. Un astuccio. Un astuccio. CCIO sounds like cho. A calculator is una, and then here comes a really big word. You ready? Calcola, like you're calculating. Calcolatrice. Calcolatrice. Whenever you have a CI or a CE, then it makes a ch sound. So that's why at the end I said che. Calcolatrice. A paperclip. Una graffetta. Una graffetta. Now let's be honest, there could be a gazillion other classroom terms, but here are some to get you started. If you're interested in learning some more vocab, go and check out our other videos. Or better yet, sign up for our classes where we have private lessons that we offer for kids and teens. Message us to find out more. Or right now, sign up for a free first lesson by going to the links in our YouTube profile. Ciao! Bye! Looking for more videos like this? Like and subscribe. And guess what? We also teach private and group Italian lessons through Knowledge Adventures in online sessions. So message us for details if you would like to learn more. Ciao!